So again, is everyone looking up here where you can hear me, right? So there is a test tomorrow, grade check on Friday, the review you grabbed on the way in. You want to try the review on your own, then check your answers with the key, which I put on the wall in the back. But if you don't want to stand up, you don't have to, because if you just look on your phone in Google Classroom, I posted the key and a video explaining the whole thing. Please try it first and then check your answers. Because if all you do is copy it down, that's not going to help you, I promise. Because you got to know it tomorrow. Test tomorrow. Now, there's two things, there's a couple things. Number 4, number 5, I think I have a typo on here. Actually, it's number 5 and number 6. There's some errors on it. Okay, check the key. So if you're doing number 5 and you're like, the answer's not here, you're right. Check the key. I put the right answer on there. Okay. The key is also on Google Classroom, wherever you want to find it. Now, number 6, I have them out of order. That's another error. It is what it is. But if you look at number 3, 3 is like the ones on the board here. So your warm-up for today is already up here, and I want to explain it real quick. Do you see that this starts here and goes to the left and has an arrowhead? Does everyone know an arrowhead goes forever? So how do you write domain if it goes forever to the left? Well, look right here. Since it doesn't have 2 endpoints, you're only going to have one less than sign. Okay? So you're not putting less than on both sides. You're just saying x is less than, which means going to the left forever, from -5. See that right there? Between -4 and -6. So that is how you do domain. And again, since it's open, you're not going to underline it. Okay? Now, number 2, right here, it starts at 1, but it goes to the right forever. So again, since it only has one endpoint, you're not putting 2 less than signs. In fact, since it's going to the right, you're going to use a greater than sign. Do you see how the greater than sign is pointing to the right? Right, it points to the right and it goes to the right forever. And since it's shaded, that's why I underlined it right there, okay? So it starts at 1, x has to be greater than that 1 or equal to, because it goes to the right. So notice the direction. Left forever is a less than sign. Right forever is a greater than sign. Okay? Yes. So this point, you go straight up, that's 1. Because we're doing domain, right? Now, if it was doing range, you'd be using this one right here, right? So yeah, domain, you got to look at the x-axis. So when you do number 3 on your review, this is the idea, okay? I'm going to let you work on the review. And if you need to, yesterday's assignment, and turn that in, okay? But the review you can keep, study it, bring it tomorrow. Test tomorrow, test tomorrow, test tomorrow, test tomorrow, right? Okay, I'm going to let y'all work.